Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So today again we are going to continue with our chapter 12, My Special Sister. Half of the chapter we have done yesterday, and today we are going to continue with the rest of the chapter. As we have discussed yesterday, that Jean and her little sister cannot hear, and she cannot speak properly. She likes to play piano, and she likes to feel the sound of the music, and all the other activities she was doing like the normal children. Okay, she used to dance with her partner and walk in a line, and enjoying the swings, and used to go with her sister to the grassy lot behind their house. So all those things she was doing in a normal way. But the thing that different in her was that she cannot hear. Okay, so yesterday we have read the chapter till here, and today we are going to start with the rest of the chapter. Now my sister has started going to my school, although our mother still helps her speak and lip read at home. So now her sister beta started to go Jean school, although still, although means in spite of or still, our mother helps her speak and lip read. लेकिन फिर भी जो उनकी मदर है बेटा उसको अभी भी हेल्प करते हैं in speaking and in lip reading. Lip reading means beta to understand what somebody is saying by watching the way their lips move. ठीक है. So sometimes beta we speak really slowly, and we are not using our voice, and other person used to catch that word what we want to speak. So that is called lip read. Okay, so still her mother beta helps her speak and lip read, as I have told you earlier also, that she cannot speak like normal children. ठीक है. So she can say words, no doubt beta she can say word, but they sound different. But वो थोड़ा सा sound different करते हैं. When she says ball, I hear ball. Okay, so she speak, or her words sound really different. That's why it is difficult for the other person to understand her sometime. Okay, when she say ball, I hear ball. Okay, the teacher and the children do not understand every word she say, and जो teachers हैं और जो students हैं और जो उसके friends हैं, वो सारे words नहीं समझते जो उसकी little sister बोलते हैं. I understand my sister understand what I say too. Okay, मैं अपनी sister को, Jean अपनी sister को समझती है, and her little sister understand her also, especially if I speak slowly. ठीक है, स्पेशली कब समझती है बेटा, अगर जीन धीरे बोलती है, इफ जीन स्पीक स्लोली एंड मूव्स माई हैंड अलॉट, एंड व्हेन शी स्पीक्स विद द hand gestures, but not always, but kabhi kabhi hota hai that she do not understand. Last night beta, what happened last night I asked where are my pajamas. She went into the kitchen and brought out a bunch of bananas. Okay, so what the funny thing happened with them beta, that Jean asked her about the pajamas, and her little sister went into the kitchen and brought out a bunch of bananas from the fruit bowl on the table. So this line is important beta, because this is the answer of a question also. So this is a funny incident which happened with them. My friends ask me about my little sister, and Jean beta friends used to ask about her little sister. They ask, does it hurt to be deaf? Does it pain to be not able to hear? क्या पेन होता है if your sister is deaf? No, I say, her ears do not hurt, but her feelings do when people do not understand. And what Jean replied to her friend beta, that her ears do not pain. उसके ears hurt नहीं होते हैं, but her feelings hurt. Sometimes she feels hurt beta. Sometimes she feels bad when other people do not understand her, when she used to or when she wants to convey something to them. Okay, उसको बुरा लगता है जब पीपल डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, जब उसको लोग समझते नहीं हैं. ठीक है, सो हर ईयर्स डू नॉट हर्ट बट हर फीलिंग्स डू व्हेन पीपल डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, so with this we are going to move on the next page. My sister will never know if the telephone is ringing or if someone is knocking at the door. Obvious, but her sister is deaf, so she is not going to know, or she will never know if the telephone is ringing or if someone is knocking at the door. But when storms come, storms means beta, storm meaning is written here, a violent disturbance of atmosphere with strong winds and usually rain. और इन हिंदी इफ आई टेल यू, जब तूफान आता है, ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा, लाइक when there is heavy rain and strong winds, are blowing at that time. Okay, when storm come, my sister doesn't wait to the sudden rolling of thunder. Thunder means beta noise of cloud. ठीक है, जब क्लाउड्स बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ करते हैं, और टू द क्विक क्लैप क्लैप ऑफ द शटर्स इन द विंड. और when beta shutters is here wooden or metal cover that can be closed over a window. Okay, जब डोर्स और बेटा जो विंडो डोर्स होते हैं या फिर कवर्स होते हैं वो शट होने बंद हो जाते हैं, उनकी साउंड होनी शुरू हो जाती है, तो हर सिस्टर कैन नॉट हियर ऑल दीज थिंग्स बेटा. हर सिस्टर कैन नॉट हियर द नॉइज caused by the clouds. She cannot hear the thunder, she cannot hear the storm, she cannot hear the clap of the shutters in the wind. My little sister sleeps, I am the one who is afraid. So her little sister beta sleeps very comfortably, and Jean is the one who is afraid. तो Jean जो है वो उसको डर लगता है with the storm, with the sound of the thunder, and when there are shutters, when there is clap of the shutters. I have a sister who watches television without turning on the sound. But we used to watch the television with the sound, but her sister can enjoy, or she used to watch the television without turning on the sound. I have a sister who can talk with her fingers or in a hoarse gentle voice. Okay, so her sister can beta talk with her fingers, and her voice is like little hoarse. Beta hoarse means sounding rough. जैसे बेटा हमने वहाँ पे प्रीवियसली वी हैव रेड दैट बॉल बॉल. ठीक है, सो बट समटाइम्स शी येल्स सो लाउड. येल्स मीन्स बेटा शाउट, लेकिन कभी कभी वो इतना लाउडली बोलती है, आर मदर सेज नेबर विल कंप्लेन. तो माई मदर यूज टू से दैट समटाइम यू शाउट सो लाउडली दैट द नेबर्स विल कंप्लेन. नेबर्स जो है, नेबर्स बेटा द पीपल हु लिव नियर बाय आवर हाउस. ओके, तो दे विल कंप्लेन, वो शिकायत करेंगे. आई स्टैम्प माई फुट. स्टैम्प मीन्स बेटा walk with heavy and forceful step, or to put the foot very forcefully on the floor. I stamp my foot to get my sister attention sometime when I have to call my sister, or sometime when I want the attention of my sister, or sometime when I have to talk with my sister. So I stamp my foot, or sometime wave at her. ठीक है, तो sometime I wave at her across the room. I come up beside her and put my hand on her arm. So in this parameter, Jean is just telling how she used to get attention of her sister when she wants to talk to her. ठीक है. So I stamp my foot to get my sister attention and wave at her across the room. I come up beside her. I come up near her and put my hand on her arm. She can feel the stamping, she can feel the touching, she can see my moving hand. बट इफ आई स्टैंड बिहाइंड हर, लेकिन अगर मैं उसके पीछे आके खड़ी हो जाऊं एंड कॉल हर नेम आउट, शी कैन नॉट हियर मी. ऑब्वियस है बेटा, शी कैन नॉट हियर हर एंड शी मे not notice the person behind her, standing behind her. So if Jean wants to talk to her, if Jean is going to talk to her, she specially have to stamp her foot or wave at her, or to put her hand on her arm so that she can get her attention. Okay, so she can see my moving hand, but if I stand behind her and call out her name, she cannot hear me. तो वो मुझे नहीं सुन सकती. My sister is special, that's why my sister is special. There are not many sisters like mine. और ऐसी सिस्टर जो सिस्टर मेरी है वो बहुत से लोगों के पास नहीं होगी. ठीक है. So that's why her sister is special beta, because she cannot hear and she participate in all the activities like normal children, but there are certain things that she cannot do because she is deaf, and she does lot of different things also. Okay, because she talk with the help of the fingers, and sometimes she yells really loudly, and her words sounds really different. So that's why her sister is special. Okay, so the chapter is over, and here is the exercise that you can do by yourself. It is about tick and cross. Okay, the sentence which are looking to you correct, you can put a tick against them, and if the sentence is looking wrong to you, you can put a cross against them. Okay, so try to do this exercise so that you can understand how much chapter or how much story you have understood. So I hope I have cleared your doubts, and please note down all the meanings better that I have written here on the book. And this is all from my side. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.